Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will explore the top 10 best practices for GitOps. GitOps is a software development methodology that leverages Git as the single source of truth for declarative infrastructure and application deployments. By adopting these practices, teams can ensure sufficient, efficient, and reliable software delivery while maintaining a high level of scalability and automation. So let's dive in. Number 1, infrastructure as code. Treat infrastructure as code to ensure reproducibility and version control. By defining infrastructure using code, changes can be tracked, reviewed, and rolled back easily. Tools like Terraform or CloudFormation can be utilized to create infrastructure stacks. Number 2, version control for configurations. Store configuration files in version control repositories alongside code. This enables easy tracking and management of changes as well as provides a historical record. For example, keeping configuration files in Git repository ensures visibility and collaboration. Number 3, continuous integration and deployment. Implement CI/CD pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. This allows for faster and more reliable software releases. Tools like Jenkins, Circle CI, or GitLab CI/CD can be used to set up these pipelines. Number 4, immutable deployments. Embrace immutable deployments by creating new environments for each release. This ensures that deployments are consistent and repeatable, reducing the risk of configuration drift. For example, using Kubernetes, deploy new containers rather than modifying existing ones. Number 5, automated testing. Implement automated testing at different stages of the deployment pipeline. This helps catch issues early, improves code quality, and reduces the risk of introducing bugs into production. Use tools like Selenium, Jest, or PyTest for testing web applications. Number 6, observability and monitoring. Incorporate robust monitoring and observability into your GitOps workflow. This allows for real-time visibility into the health and performance of applications and infrastructure. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Datadog can be used to collect and visualize metrics. Number 7, rollback and roll-forward strategies. Establish rollback and roll-forward strategies to handle deployment failures or issues. This ensures the ability to revert to a previous known working state or roll back to the next available stable version. Utilize Git tags or branches to facilitate these strategies. Number 8, access control and security. Implement strict access controls to prevent unauthorized changes and protect sensitive data. Use tools like RBAC or IAM from AWS to ensure least privilege principles. Regularly audit access permissions to maintain security. Number 9, document and collaboration. Foster a culture of documentation and collaboration within your GitOps workflow. Documenting configurations, processes, and deployment steps ensures knowledge sharing and reduces reliance on specific individuals. Tools like Markdown, Confluence, or GitWiki can aid in documentation. Number 10, continuous improvement and feedback loops. Continuously evaluate and improve your GitOps practices. Encourage feedback from team members, monitor metrics, and embrace a culture of continuous learning. Regularly review and update your processes to adapt to changing requirements. Incorporating these top 10 best practices for GitOps will empower your team to achieve more efficient, scalable, and reliable software delivery. By leveraging Git as the single source of truth and following these guidelines, you can streamline your development processes and unlock the benefits of automation and infrastructure as code. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you found this video helpful in your GitOps journey.